Good morning, students. We will go ahead in our introduction today in chapter number 1. Topics: arrange the numbers in ascending order, arrange the numbers in descending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. To arrange the numbers in ascending order, we should follow we, sh we should follow few rules like step number 1, line up the numbers by place values. Step number 2, count their digits. Arrange the numbers according to its number of digits in ascending order. Let us study one example of ascending order. Example, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. 7 crore 36 lakh 1295, 80 crore 34 lakh 51,276, 3 crore 4 lakh 63,589, 81 lakh 72,345, 91 crore 32,947. So, to solve these, let us follow the steps. Step number 1, line up the numbers by place values. Step number 2, there are two 9 digits, two 8 digits numbers and one 7 digit numbers. Now, to line up the all numbers by their place values, we will take here the help of Indian place value chart. According to the chart, we have 4 periods, that is ones periods, thousand periods, lakhs periods and crore periods that we know. Now, let us arrange one by one figure by their place value digit in this table. First, 5 comes on ones place, 9 comes on tens place, 2 comes on hundred place, 1 comes on thousand place, 0 comes on 10,000 place, 6 comes on lakhs place, 3 comes on 10 lakhs place, 7 comes on crores place. Like this way we have to arrange all the figures in that proper place. Now we have come to know that which figure have exactly similar digits. So let us take here you can able to see that number 2 and number 5 have exactly same number of digit, that is 9 digits number. So first of all let us compare both of these two figures. 80 crore 34 lakh 51,276, 91 crore 32,947. Between these two numbers, we can able to see over here that first digit is very most first digit, place digit is different. That is, one consists 8 and one consists 9. So, we will do the comparison between these two digits. So we can able to know that 8 obviously smaller than 9. So we will keep over here less than sign. Okay. Now its first digit is smaller. Obviously that whole number is also smaller than the next one. Like that way we will do the comparison with very next two similar digits, that is 7 crore 36 lakh 1295, 3 crore 4 lakh 63,589. In these two figures also we can able to see that 7 is greater than 3 and 7 and 3 both stands at very first position on our left side, on, or we can say on the figure's left side, that is the very most first place, or we can say the greatest place in the particular figure. That means whole figure is greater than the other one, right? Like that way. And down Come on the last figure, that is 81,72,345 is the smallest number now. Now let's start to arrange it. As we know, 81,72,345 is the smallest one. So to arrange all the figures in ascending order, it will comes first. So first of all, write that figure 81,72,345. Very next, we know that 3 lakh 3 crore 4 lakh 63,589 is smaller than the other numbers. Then write that figure over here. And third one, 7 crore 36 lakh 1,295. Third most smaller, or we can say stands at third position in arrange the ascending number. So write that figure over here. Now at fourth position, which figure will come? 80 crore 34 lakh 51,276. And which is the greatest one? That is 91 crore 32,947. This is how we can able to arrange our large number of figures in ascending order. Next topic, arrange the numbers in descending order. To arrange the numbers in descending order, we should follow few rules. Like step 1, line up the numbers by place values. Step 2, count their digits. Arrange the numbers according to its number of digits in descending order. Let us study now example of descending order. For example, arrange the following numbers in descending order. 23,45,678, 60 crore 78 lakh 10,542, 6,94,317, 8 crore 41 lakh 20,079, 49 crore 89 lakh 351. We have to arrange all these figures in descending order. To solve this, let us follow our steps. Step 1. First, line up the numbers by its place values. So for that, we will again use our Indian place value chart over here, or we can say it's table format. First of all, at ones period, arrange first figure's digit, that is 8, 7, 6. 8 comes on ones place, 7 comes on tens place, 6 comes on 100 place. Like that way, 5 and 4 arrange. 5 comes on 1000 place, 4 comes on 10,000 place. 3 and 2 also comes in lakhs period, and that is 3 comes on lakhs and 2 comes on 10 lakhs position. Now that way we will arrange all the figures. What is the next step? In step 2, we can able to see over here that what we have? We have 2 9-digit numbers, 1 8-digit number, 1 7-digit number, and 1 6-digit number. Right? So first of all, we will compare our 2 9-digit numbers, that is 60 crore 78 lakh 10,542, 49 crore 89 lakh 351. In these two figures, we can able to see that in that very first position, that is here you can able to see that 6 is at very first position, and here 4 is at very first position, and that is 10 crore position, right? So 10 crore position, both numbers are different. Let us compare that two numbers. So after comparing these two numbers, we comes to know that 6 is greater than 4. That means the figure who comes to start with 6, it's also greater than this figure which starts from 4, right? That means 6 crore 78 lakh 10,542 is greater than 49 crore 89 lakh and 351. Second, now we have single figures with different digits, that is 8 digit number, 7 digit number and 6 digit number, right? And 6 digit number is the smallest number or smallest figure. So now let us arrange all these figures in a descending order. We already know that in a descending, when we are going to arrange a descending order, at that time biggest number comes first. That means in these figures, which figure is the biggest or a greatest? That is 60 crore 78 lakh 10,542 is greatest one. So first of all we will write that. Next 49 crore 89 lakh 351 comes at third position. 8 digit figure will come, and that is 8 crore 41 lakh 20,079 will come. At fourth position 7 digit figure will come, and that is 23 lakh 45,678 will come. And at very last position 6 digit figure will come, and that is 6,94,317 will come. This is how we can able to arrange our ascending and descending order with large figure. Hope you all are understood very well. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you.